Hello, let's crochet a sunflower. For that, we have to do a magic ring. So, drop the yarn around your hand like an X, insert the hook and pull up and twist it. Then do 3 chains. So, this chain counts as the first double crochet of this round. Then do 11 double crochets into the ring. For that, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And repeat this until you get 11 double crochets. After you have done with the double crochets, pull the yarn tail tight so that we can close the ring. Next, we are going to slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the beginning chain of this round. In round 2, do 2 chains. Mark the 2nd chain with a stitch marker. These 2 chains counts as the first half double crochet of the round. Now do 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. That means the base of this chain 2. Then do 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. And do 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. When you're done with the half double crochet, slip stitch to the 2nd chain where we put the stitch marker. Now pull this stitch longer so that it won't be undone, and cut the yarn by leaving a 6-inch tail. Let's weave in the yarn end, and after this you can weave in starting yarn tail 2. Cut the excess yarn. Put your hook through any of the stitch around and pull up the yellow color yarn. Now do 3 chains. Now let's do a bobble stitch with 3 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over again, push the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then 3 loops left on your hook, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, now 4 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops. Now chain 2, slip stitch to the back of the first chain. Next we are going to do chain 3. Now slip stitch into the same stitch at the base. Then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, then bobble stitch at the base of chain 3, further yarn over, insert the hook into the base stitch, then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all. Chain 2, slip stitch into the back of the first chain we did on top of the bobble stitch. Now chain 3 and slip stitch at the base. Slip stitch in next 2 stitches and repeat this pattern around. So here I am finishing the round by doing the last 2 slip stitches. This is the first one, and the second one. Pull the stitch and cut the excess yarn, then fasten it off by pulling it. Weave in the ends and cut the excess yarn. Thanks for watching.